Welcome to our exploration of luxurious and unique house designs inspired by the vibrant culture of Kalimantan, Indonesia. In this video, we'll delve into the captivating features that define Kalimantan architecture, merging traditional artistry with modern elegance. From the intricately carved wooden facades to the spacious interiors filled with natural light, every element reflects the region's rich heritage. We'll showcase homes that stand on stilts, harmonizing with their lush surroundings, and highlight the use of local materials that not only enhance aesthetics, but also promote sustainability. As we journey through these stunning designs, you'll see how open-plan layouts foster connectivity with nature, creating tranquil spaces for relaxation and gatherings. With vibrant textiles and handcrafted decor, each interior tells a story, inviting you to experience the warmth and hospitality of Kalimantan culture. Join us as we celebrate the architectural beauty of Kalimantan, where every home is a masterpiece, uniquely designed to honor its roots while embracing modern living. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into incredible designs from around the world. As we continue our journey, let's take a closer look at the iconic elements that make Kalimantan homes so special. The use of natural materials such as wood and bamboo not only provides structural integrity, but also establishes a seamless connection with the environment. These homes often feature open-air designs that invite the gentle breezes and natural sounds of the surrounding forests.